channel. Today, we're going to be working on brake booster, back cylinder, and this switch. Like we're doing a lot of weekend. Right, nothing up there. So yeah. Plug me in, come out. So that's the first thing we gotta do is drop this column down. Get to it. Meal. Got this part out. It's 8 milli in the back, 8 milli in the front. Black clip. 2 clips from the front and back. Now there's a Phillips screwdriver. Phillips head. Couldn't get this in here, so I made this. See if it works. Okay, so it does seem to be the culprit. See that burnt spot right there? Pretty burnt up right there. But these little screws on the back right here, yeah. Focus on it. Many screws. There's 2 of them. Gotta get those off. And go back on. Ooh, how we gonna do this? Here you go. Trade screws. Yeah, we gotta get those off. Okay, we got it out. Let's go back there. It is burnt up. Okay, so check this out. I didn't know that. This is the part with the 2 little bitty screws. Didn't know that we can just drop it down. Pull it down and put those 2 screws, they go right here. So I'll put those 2 in. I'll be right back. Okay, so the one on the top is the new one. And the little flap was flat. I'm starting to bend it up. Cause this one right here, the old one is built bent like at a 90. And then it curves off to a 45. So I'm about to see if I can bend that right. So I use the screwdriver and the vice grip. Lifted it up, screwdriver, and took that vice grip. It only like right at that crease, small part, and bent it. I think that's to keep it in place. It got the 2 screws in the back, and that kind of like just holds it in place. Whew. Pretty good. So that's the purpose of that. It's like a little stopper. Keeps it steady. That ought to hold it. push it down a little more. Then we can put him on next. Those bolts. We got 2 8s and a lot of Phillips. 8. 8s on the ends. Phillips in the middle. I think the black one was in the back. This goes that way. You gotta get on right now. Stick goes in the hole. Does it? Way up here now. Stick. Gotta wiggle around this part right here. Up in there. Phillips goes in the middle. Should I put this on first? Nah. It all goes on. It all goes home. Okay, so you put that silver screw in first on the main bracket. Then you add the second bracket. Then you put the 2 10s. The 10, well, the 2 8s. That 8 in the back. You had to use wrench. There you go, wrench. Got this white. That white connector is white. Right there. We gotta put the connectors on. This side, blue goes first, then the black. It seems like it's in there. connection now. Okay. There we have it. We fixed. I think the battery's still dead, but oh yeah, it's fixed. There's no gas in here though. Thought I dropped the gas tank, but the switch is fixed. That's it. So recap. Just drop it down. 2 of those. 2 of these. What is that, 13s or something? Yeah, they 13s. Got 4 13s. Then you got the 8s. And 2 8s. And a Phillips screw in the middle. 3 connectors. And that's it. Let me know if you learned something. Like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys for watching.